Manmachine Works, pioneers of mechanized cleaning business in India since 1987, bring to you state-of-the-art automatic car wash systems. From MS Instaball, leaders in automatic car wash systems since 1950, producing more than 2,000 systems every year, sold in 75 countries. In India, major model targeted is M-Start, which is perfectly suitable for Indian conditions, available in various options. Also can deliver up to 80 cars per day at a cost of just 20 rupees per car wash. M-Start structure is made of galvanized steel and powder-coated, which keeps it rust-free for years, unlike local machines that get rusted in 1 to 3 years. M-Start panel is equipped with Siemens components, making it very reliable and offers more than 30 wash programs compared to local machines. That increases the number of cars we can do in our machines, as local machines take 8 to 10 minutes to wash a car and can't deliver more than 40 to 50 cars a day, and with expanding business, M-Start will always stay with you. M-Start uses only 70 to 80 liters of water, saving up to 50% on local machines for a car wash. Istobal machines uses long and short-range sensors with extra protection safety ring on dryer, which makes this a completely safe machine for cars even if any malfunction takes place. Safety is of paramount importance, and we use only European quality UV protected, certified brushes, unlike local machines, and saves customers claims on scratches. Thanks to its design technology, M-Start dries a car 90 to 95%, compared to 60 to 70% by local car washes, reducing manpower to deliver a car. We use drive motor technology, which means every moving part in the machine has its own encapsulated motor, which makes machine fast and low on maintenance. Istobal uses latest chemical dosing technology, which saves detergent costs and also contributes to environment safety. Our machines last up to 10 to 15 years, and not just up to 3 to 5 years by local manufacturers. It's not only these technological points that prove our superiority and technology and cost of operation. We at Manmachine offer you a world of difference in customer experience, and our customers speak for this. Log on to our website, www.manmachineworks.com, to see videos of our customers who are experiencing the Manmachine difference, or call us at 0120 425 6161.